Hello, my name is Tina Nikolajsen. I am the product manager of Aerospace here in Helsingør, based in Denmark. I work mainly with primary flight controls, secondary flight controls, actuators and landing gear. I've been with the company about 30 years so far, always within Aerospace Group. When I was a kid, all the boys, they played with cars and aircrafts or planes, and girls, they played with dolls. Not me, I played with both. So I've always been building things out of Lego and things like that. And then I've always been fascinated about evolution, people's ability to travel. We do not settle, we do not just stay here. We're curious, we want to go out, we want to see the world, we want to go to space. And we push our boundaries all the time to find out more, to go out there and conquer the world. I like that. And I think that it's actually cool working with Aerospace, being a woman. In the beginning, I was often the only woman in the room. There could be 50 men in suit and tie, and then there was me in a skirt. And to begin with, it was a bit maybe scary, but more and more women came in. And I think it's very important that we are a mixed group, because different gender, different cultures, different point of views makes it much more colorful and make also the solution maybe more strong. Still, the business is mostly dominated by men, but more and more women come in and we make a strong team together. When you look at an aircraft, it's quite obvious that you have the wings, you have the engines, and you have the landing gear. And you know that all of these parts are very essential for the whole aircraft to function. But honestly, even though that we make smaller parts, the aircraft cannot function without the seals either. So we are just a small part of a huge industry, and everyone is small bits and pieces of a big puzzle. But we need to have the complete puzzle before the aircraft will actually be working. And I'm actually proud of working in a company where quality, sustainability and innovation are keywords. And I think that we do a good job in that area. I would be 100% honest and say it's not for everyone, and it can be a bit overwhelming, and it takes time before all the nerdiness is interesting. But I'm sure if you give it a chance and dig deeper, find a good colleague that you can lean up against, I'm sure that you'll find it just as interesting as the rest of us.